Sitting Tura MP and NPP candidate Agatha K. Sangma reached Walbakgre polling station at 7:30 a.m. and was in the queue to cast her vote. While speaking to a media person, she said that this is a positive sign and grateful to the people who have come out in a large number to exercise their franchise. The TMC and Congress candidates for Tura Lok Sabha parliamentary constituency also cast their vote today.
It's a wonderful sign, and I'm really grateful to the people for coming out and voting in large numbers. This is a trend that has been happening for a very long time. In general, you always find that women are way more, aware, and they take a lot of effort to come out and vote. And I'm really grateful that women take this as a very serious right and a duty to come out and vote.